Hi there, my name is Megan. Today we're going to look at a touchless, COVID-safe, simple, almost free way to track attendance for any group of people that regularly attend an event, class, or gathering. We're using this to take attendance for our worship services at church. It would be perfect for a classroom setting or even a workplace or office setting. So to implement this system, you'll need a Google account and a dedicated tablet or smartphone. I haven't tried this with an iPhone or iPad. I've only ever used Android. If you do end up using an iOS device, please let me know how it goes in the comments. I'll use 4 older Samsung tablets that I found used on Kijiji and Facebook Marketplace. They really only need to run one app, so older ones work just fine. First, log into your Google account on any device or computer and create a Google Sheet. Name the first sheet Current and copy the spreadsheet ID, just these numbers, and create a QR code with them on any of the free QR code generator sites out there. Then log into the Google Play Store on the device you'll be using to check people in and download the app Barcode to Sheets. The free version works just fine, but you might see ads. For just a few dollars, you can upgrade to get rid of the ads, which is what I've done. So inside the app, add your Google account. In the Google Sheet field, click the camera icon to scan the QR code you just generated with the spreadsheet ID. In the sheet name field, just type current and click done. Inside the menu, you can select the settings you prefer. For example, you can automatically add a timestamp or geolocation information to each entry. I've selected the timestamp, but since my scanning devices are stationary, I don't really need the geolocation information. In the settings, you'll also select response fields, or you can also select response fields. We use these for our child check-in when we need to have an adult's name added to each check-in. For our usual check-ins, though, we don't use these fields. Now you'll need to create a QR code for each individual that will be checking in. So I use a free account with Canva to do this. Just type the information that you need for each individual. I just use their name and primary phone number, which we can use for contact tracing if needed, and download a code for each person, then save them somewhere safe. So for us, I upload each person's QR code to the photo field in our church management system. We use ChurchTrack. This way I can easily retrieve a code from anywhere, reprint them if and when needed, and our people can access their own code from our online church member portal. We use ChurchTrack to do all of this, and we absolutely love it. There's a sign-up link in the description below if you're interested in signing up to try it out. You'll get a discount if you do. I think it's about 20%. So anyway, once you've done that, you can distribute each person's code however you see fit. I've emailed codes to people so that they can download it to their phone and scan their phone when they arrive. I've also printed each code in a business card size and then laminated it for our members. This is perfect for those that are less tech savvy or who don't have a smartphone. And as I mentioned, because the codes are stored in our church management system, people can log into our member portal and access their own code anytime they like. When someone arrives, all they need to do is hold their code in front of the scanning device's camera. When they see the green check mark, they're done. So your Google Sheet will be updated almost immediately. If you have the potential for guests that don't already have a QR code, just set up a Google form on a different device to send the responses to the same Google Sheet. Any number of devices can send responses to the same Google Sheet, so all of your information is in one place. The responses each go to the next available line. I've never had a problem with information being overwritten. And if you'd like to encourage people to use their own device, just direct them to the Google form you created for guests. Once you have all of your attendance data in the Google Sheet, you can keep it there or transfer it to your church management system whenever you like. This allows me to track individuals without anyone needing to stand there with a clipboard or even know everyone's names. The only issue I've had with this system is that occasionally the lines will not populate in order. I have the timestamps enabled so I can easily see what the proper order is, so it's not really that much of an issue. Here's a couple of tips. I have my Google Sheet set up with multiple sheets, each labeled with a different month. I copy and paste all of the check-ins to the correct month's sheet after I log them in ChurchTrack, our church management system. Then I keep the current sheet clear so that I can easily tell what I've tracked in our database and what I haven't yet. Just makes my workflow a little bit easier. So also in Android, you can pin app apps so that people can't accidentally close them. So just go into settings, enable screen pinning, or sometimes it's called window pinning, then pin the app while it's open. That way, if people are hitting the back button, they're not going to accidentally exit out of the Barcode to Sheets app. So I've also customized our check-in tablets with icons on the home page in case someone does manage to exit out of the app. There are several apps available to customize the icons themselves to make them more obvious to users. Whichever one works for you is perfect. So we have our tablet set up in the lobby of our church. All ages do quite well with this, and it's been really well received because it's quick and easy. Even our seniors love it, and it's super easy for them to use. So I'll post the link to the Barcode Sheets to app and to Church Track in the description. Please share your experiences with this system in the comments below. Have a great day.